This is a user's guide to the EcoStar 3 mobile app, Part 2. This video will discuss configuration, how to get a module config, load a config file, create a new config and edit, and how to save and email a config. Configuration. From the main dashboard of the EcoStar 3 app, touch the Configuration button. The configuration screen is where you can view or make changes to the way EcoStar 3 works on your vehicle. Saving configuration edits requires a password. Get Module Config. When connected to your vehicle, touch Get Module Config to load the data from the vehicle's EcoStar 3 module into the configuration screen. This allows you to view exactly which triggers control the automatic stop and start, as well as their config settings. Load config file. If you've previously created another EcoStar 3 configuration and want to load it onto the vehicle's module, touch Load Config File. Select the desired .ims file and it will load into the screen. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Update Module. Enter the password and the loaded config will be sent to the vehicle's module. New or Edit Config. To create a new configuration, type in a config name at the top. Scroll through each function and tap on the fields to select or type in desired values. When finished making edits, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Update Module. Enter the password and the new or edited config will be sent to the vehicle's module. Save and email config. Touch the Save and Email Config button at the bottom of the screen. You can email the current configuration as both PDF and .ims files. This is useful for referencing the exact configuration of your vehicle when not using the app, or to add it to another vehicle. For more information, contact tech support at 800-969-6080 or go online at www.intermotive.net. Thanks for watching.